Your appendix is not useless. It has been saving your life since birth. For over a century, the appendix was dismissed as a useless leftover from evolution, a biological relic with no purpose. Doctors removed it without a second thought, and patients never noticed a difference. But in 2007, researchers at Duke University made a discovery that changed everything. The appendix is not useless. It is a safe house for the bacteria your gut needs to survive. When disease wipes out your intestinal microbiome, the appendix repopulates it. You have been carrying a backup drive for your gut your entire life. Charles Darwin first suggested the appendix was vestigial in 1871. He believed it was a shrunken version of the cecum, used by our ancestors to digest tough plant matter. As humans evolved and diets changed, the organ supposedly lost its function. This theory stuck for over 130 years. Surgeons removed roughly 300,000 appendixes per year in the United States alone, treating it as nothing more than a ticking time bomb waiting to become inflamed. No one questioned whether removing it might actually cost something. The breakthrough came from immunologist William Parker at Duke University. He discovered that the appendix contains a thick biofilm of beneficial bacteria, protected in a small pouch where the large intestine cannot flush them out. After a severe infection like cholera or dysentery, the gut microbiome gets completely destroyed. The appendix releases its stored bacteria to recolonize the intestines. Think of it as a biological seed vault. In developing countries where waterborne diseases still kill millions, people without an appendix take significantly longer to recover their gut flora. The appendix also plays a critical role early in life. It contains high concentrations of lymphoid tissue, the same tissue found in your tonsils and lymph nodes. During fetal development and early childhood, this tissue trains immune cells to distinguish between harmful invaders and beneficial bacteria. Children who have their appendix removed before age 20 show a measurably higher risk of certain infections later in life. The organ you thought was useless was training your immune system from the very beginning. If the appendix were truly vestigial, evolution would have eliminated it long ago. Instead, it has evolved independently more than 30 times across mammal species. Koalas, wombats, rabbits, and certain primates all have appendixes. Each evolved theirs separately, suggesting it provides a real survival advantage. The most compelling evidence: species that have an appendix tend to have more diverse gut microbiomes than those without one. What Darwin called useless, modern science now calls essential. If you found this fascinating, subscribe to Curious Science. Next time, we are exploring why cuts itch when they heal.